What's up, YouTube?
It's Wild Boy Brothers!
And today we're building the KitKat Haunted House Building Kit. It's almost Christmas, but we're building Halloween kits. So in the kit are a bunch of dark cocoa KitKats, some normal KitKats, KitKat characters, a Scaries pack, sprinkles, and Ben's got the icing right there. So the structure has been completed in a few minutes. There's plastic in there that they've built around, and now they're gonna do the finishing touches. Got the icing started.
There we go!
Characters are going on.
Hey, just wait.
Good job, guys.
Good. There we go.
Decorating this and solidifying the structure with the mortar icing.
Okay, we need a paper towel here or something like that.
Good job. They put all 4 characters on the roof. We tasted the icing. It's delicious. It's not that usual sugary taste. What does the icing taste like, guys?
Chocolate. Not chocolate. I didn't taste it. I don't know.
Taste some, Owen.
Like. Yeah, take a little piece.
Tell us what you think. It's kind of got like a, I would say like a caramel cream taste to it. It's really good though.
Kind of tastes like KitKat, but better.
And then starting with the decorations, we did the icing of the structure, very thick. This is only the second house that we've built. We built a gingerbread house a while ago. So we're still not experts, but it'll do.
Yeah, I'm gonna take some.
The package is much more elaborate than what we've done. We definitely cut a bigger hole in the icing container and are decorating accordingly.
Orange, brown,
But it is a very tasty
orange.
house in terms of it's all very sugary and delicious. What do you guys think of this house compared to like a gingerbread house?
The icing's better.
And then what about like in KitKat instead of gingerbread?
I'd rather gingerbread. I don't really like KitKat.
How
I'd
about
rather gingerbread, but it was easier with gingerbread.
And Owen, what do you like better, KitKat or gingerbread?
KitKat.
Yeah, I'm in the KitKat camp as well. So some like KitKat better, some like gingerbread better. Overall, do you guys like this house better or a gingerbread house?
This one, it looks better. This one. Yeah, it looks better. I think our gingerbread house looks better.
I like this better because I know it'll get eaten quickly. The gingerbread house looked better. I don't know if that's because we just did a better job constructing it, but I'm excited to eat this one. The house is now done. That was the box. This was our creation. What do you guys think of the house?
It's good. It's fine.
Let's give everyone a tour. So you've got some windows on the side and a skylight. The front door. One thing we found quite difficult was pushing the sprinkle. You had to push the sprinkles in to the icing. So there's a whole bunch of sprinkles on the table. Another tip would be to put a plate or something underneath the house as you're building it so you don't get icing and sprinkles all over your table. So we're now left with a bunch of KitKat wrappers. The house does come with a dozen full-size KitKats, so it's actually pretty good amount of chocolates for what you're paying. Any comments, guys, on the house?
No. The icing's really good.
Yeah, the icing was really good. Sprinkles were messy. And what are you guys gonna do now? All eating the remaining construction materials.